Yo, after the video, yeah, you will never drink milk again. Yo, make sure you're ready for this, here. Have a cheer. So, the milk industry was plugged in by the European breakfast program. Yeah, man, we tell us that when we drink milk, we get calcium carbonate for our bone teeth. Big old rubbish. Now, check the nutritional facts for milk, which the three top nutrients, which is fat, protein, and carbohydrate, they are undigestible to humans. That is why majority of the babies today have eczema, because the liver is a outside skin. Well, the liver is the inside skin. So when the liver cannot break down a food, it's spitty on the outside eye skin. Not only that, do you watch The Simpsons when they gave you the clue about the lab rats, the rats that is in the lab that they're injecting with oxytocin to release milk letdown because rats are mammal? Remember at agriculture class when I was raising the rabbits, I was wondering how rabbits produce so much milk. Well, what they did, they inject the rats and start producing milk, and in The Simpsons they show you in the lab where the milk does not name milk anymore, it name M-A-L-K, Malk. The place with the highest amount of cows is Brazil, Texas, and Switzerland. They cannot supply the whole world. So now they are having rats producing milk. Now my friend the other day say, why rat? There are so many animals. I said to my friends, if you have 1,000 cows, can they hold in a lab? But don't you can hold 1,000 rats. So they are giving you rat milk as cow milk. And this is why the babies are so sick. No, people, listen to me. There was an experiment. You can search for it on the internet. Just type in the milk experiment. You will realize they put milk in a pot and boil it and boil it and boil it, and the end result of the milk, it became a thick jelly-like mucus. You wonder why so much sinus is here, mucus in the brain. You wonder why so much pneumonia, mucus in the lungs. You wonder why so much arthritis, mucus in the knee. You wonder why so many colon issue, because these mucus support the acidity of the lactic acid from the milk, which also go hand in hand with the reproduction of parasites that also poop and piss ammonia in the gut. The body now reacts to these acidity and release mucus to defend the body, so it's mucus on top of mucus. You see why some of you people intestine large and small and colon is properly tied? Come over here. We have a colon cleanse and parasite cleanse program for you. Of course, however, milk is causing the real disease on the planet right now. That is $1 billion industry helping the pharmacists to sell all kind of pharmaceutical drugs. My people who have ear to hear, let them hear. The truth cannot be told, but only realized with the mind eyes, the lies, demise right in front of our eyes. Me done chat. Based on observation and clients that we have met,
on the diseases that have been surfacing today,
we have formulated
tinctures
to assist these diseases. Here goes. For cleaning the liver and the kidney, and also UTI, urinary tract infection, any form of blood infection.
choose the liver and kidney tincture.
No, men, for prostate, inflammation, increasing energy, ED, erectile dysfunction, blood circulation, lymphatic system, immunity, and hormonal imbalance.
Choose Imperial Vitality.
Of course, Miracle Man.
For womb wellness, heavy period and painful cramps and hormonal imbalance, choose
Empress Vitality. Of course, you're vital.
Yo, King.
Yo, for diabetic, pre-diabetic, persons with insulin resistant cell, choose.
Blood sugar balancer.
KTV Foundation have produced a one for all. The holistic 8 system: circulatory, respiratory, digestive, nervous, endocrine, lymphatic, reproductive, and urinary system. Support the book on Amazon and on my website, The Clothesline and the One for All Remedy, Holistic 8.